Hi YouTube, Pokemon Soul Trainer here, and today we're going to be opening up a Vivid Voltage ETB. So you do get 8 packs in here. I believe you're guaranteed one ultra rare, and then a list and a whole bunch of other things. It's just not really necessary. But first time opening up a Vivid Voltage ETB. Obviously we're going to be going for the Rainbow Rare Full Art Pikachu. PSA 10 right now goes for about $1,000, which would be nice, but we'll take what we can get. I haven't opened up many Vivid Voltage items only because they weren't that popular coming out, but now I guess with everything that's going on, it's just super popular, and that Pikachu is super. So you do get the booklet telling you all the cards that you can possibly get in here, so you know what you need to complete the set. And then you do get your regular dice, everything else. But obviously for us, the most important thing is these. I don't know if you do get a promo card in this. I don't remember. I don't think so. Yeah, there's no promo, so you just get here's for anyone that needs it, the Elite Trainer box code. Yep, so no promo, you get sleeves, you get cards, but don't want to waste your time, so let's get straight to these packs. So here we go, we have 8 Vivid Voltage packs. Let's start from the one first. Like I said, Rainbow Rare Full Art Pikachu, VMAX is our goal. But we'll see what we get. Here is your kill card. And let's start. We have Execute, Chatot, Clawbus, Skiddo, Choupette, Reverse Holo Drober, and then for our rare, we have a Togekiss V. Why does this card feel? This card feels super thick. Feels weird. But Togekiss V as a rare, which isn't bad. The full art Togekiss is worth some decent money on PSA 10. I believe it's worth about like $350, $400. And the Kakuna. Here's the Pikachu VMAX. This is the one we're going for. Rainbow Rare Full Art would be nice, but we won't complain if we don't get it. Here's your code card. Clobbopus, Woobat. Wow, these cards are thick. Talo, Charmander. I love this artwork in the Charmander. Wooper, Reverse Rare Excadrill, and then for our rare, we have a Galarian Persiker. Fire Energy, Matang, and Giraffe Rig. An Alistair Trainer card. Let's keep going. We have 6 more packs to go. Yep. No, yeah, 6. Here is your pro card. Let's get straight to a Weedle. That's pretty nice artwork. Drober, Clefairy. These cards are so thick. I'm telling you right now, it feels so weird. Wilmer, Tynamo, Reverse Holo Dreadnought, and then for a rare, we have a Galarian Darmanitan V. Pretty cool artwork. And then Psychic Energy, Krokorok, Delsmice, Rocky Helmet. Here we go, let's keep going. Hoping to get Rainbow Rare Pikachu, but like I said, it is what it is. Trubbish, Choupette, Choodle, Railu, excuse me, Eevee. It's a nice, ooh, I like the Eevee with the shooting stars in the background. This would be a great holo card. Ooh, reverse rare Charizard. Oh man, and for a rare is a light Karok. Let me go through these other ones real quick. Oh man, reverse rare Charizard. I'm not sure what these go PSA 10, but I'll have to look it up. This is centering on the front is perfect. Let's check out the back. The back looks perfect as well. I don't see any white dots anywhere. Wow, definitely PSA 10 worthy. I'll have to see how much they go for to see if it's worth getting, but nice pull right there. Let's keep going. Hopefully that's a good sign. Ooh, cool card right here. Here we go, Choupette, Poochyena, Voltorbu. I like that drawing. It's hand drawn. Reminds me of the old Wizards of the Coast. Rockruff, Talo, Railu reverse rare, and then for our rare reverse holo, I say another Galarian Persiker. It's not a fan. Water energy, Coding energy. I haven't seen this one yet. Shuckle's old school, and then Delmice. Let's keep going. 3 more packs left. Let's go with Celebi. Ooh. Here is your code card. Here we go with Whismur, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, reverse rare Regirock, and then for our rare, a Beedrill. I actually kind of do like that artwork. It's nice artwork for a Beedrill. Steel Energy, Hitmontop, and Swoobat. And then Magcargo. 2 more packs left. I'm hoping, ooh, I'm gonna leave Pikachu for last, but I'm hoping we get 1 Rainbow Rare or 1 full VMAX. We haven't gotten either or. Let's see, here is your code card. I thought you were guaranteed at least 1. Eevee, Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Fanfi. Oh, that's nice artwork. Reverse holo Xerneas, and then for our rare, a Flareon. It's a nice artwork of a Flareon. Leaf Energy, Kakuna, Chichester Bath, and a Galarian Stunfish. Alright, last pack. I'm assuming it's a Pikachu pack. We haven't gotten 1 technical full art. We gotten V arts, but I don't think they should count. I mean, pretty sure you're guaranteed at least 1. So let's hope we get lucky, since we didn't pull anything on the other ones, that this is the Rainbow Rare Pikachu VMAX. Because other than that reverse holo Charizard, we haven't gotten much. Oh, we haven't gotten anything technically. Cottony, Mudbray, Slugma, reverse holo Nincada, and for our last card, for our last holo rare, a Zarude V. This is not a good pack. I'm not liking these whatsoever. Lightning, Nuzleaf, Wash Energy, and Worcester Bath. So I mean, not a fan of the type of pulls that we got other than that Charizard. So we got 3 full RV cards, but not one VMAX or anything like that. So I'm pretty disappointed in this. Togekiss is probably the best out of these. But I guess the main pull here was this reverse Holo Charizard, which is in perfect condition. So I'll have to look this up to see if it's worth anything if I get a PSA graded 10. But thank you guys for watching. As always, I try to upload weekly. So if you guys can support, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Obviously, I do have multiple things. I grew up with Wizards of the Coast. So please support the channel. As always, make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you hit the gym, stay swole, stay healthy. And then overall, make sure you just spread that love. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, Pokemon Swole Trainer out.